So this right here is a aftermarket spindle replacement for my John Deere E140. You can actually see the replacement spindle right here over on the right. Taking a closer look at the spindle, it comes with the wheel part. You have 4 screws that go into the mower deck. And if we were to take look at the underside, I have newly sharpened blades, but right behind here it comes with the nut. I had to provide a washer that I used previously with the original spindle. So there's a washer in between this nut that did not come with the aftermarket spindle. But all in all, the install was straightforward, and I can't wait to try this out. The one thing you're definitely going to need is a breaker bar to do this. And this one actually expands to give you some more leverage. And I also have a bunch of sockets to go with it. They're 1/2-inch sockets. And I used probably 3 different sizes in order to do this, but that's the main takeaway. You should definitely get a breaker bar because you're not going to be able to use it with a regular socket wrench or just a regular small wrench. You need leverage.